But anyways, my merch, y'all. My god, it doesn't even fit in the frame. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So, as you're reading the title, I have my own merch line. No, but literally, it is just a dream come true. I honestly didn't think this would happen anytime soon, but with the help of PrintShop by Design Hill, who is today's sponsor, they made it all possible, and I was like, I love them so much. But yeah, today's video, I'm just going to be talking about the design that I went for my merch, and then at the end, I'll be showing you guys what it looks like, and honestly, I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be showing you guys. If you guys don't know what PrintShop is already, they are a merchandising website in which fellow creators such as I are able to upload their own artworks or designs onto the website, and they can sell it through like custom shirts, custom phone cases, you name it, they have it. Also, if you don't have a certain design that you want to make, they also have a bunch of designs from other creators as well from all over the world, and I think that's just a great way to support each other, especially during these hard times. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check them out. But yeah, I'm just going to be talking about my little design that I am trying to come up with, and yeah, we're just gonna try to make it a reality. So in terms of the design that I was going for, I wanted it to be something that represented what I usually go for in terms of like my aesthetic. So if y'all don't know already, I live for like the plant aesthetic, but also the sparkles and the constellations. So I needed to add a few things in there that represents me, and then also just wanted to make it look cute. This was the design that I was thinking of that I actually took inspiration from, and this was actually made by me as well through a recent DIY. If you haven't checked that out, I will leave it in the description box below or somewhere in the cards. But it is something like this. So this one says a life goes on, and obviously stream life goes on if you haven't already. But yeah, this is the design that I got inspiration from. So this is what it looks like, and like I said, I tried to incorporate like the little plants and stars and moons into it. So in terms of the design as well, aside from the aesthetic, I wanted to think of a catchphrase that I usually say, and the thing that came up to my mind was hi friends, because usually at the beginning of my videos I'm always like but like I couldn't really think of anything else. So if y'all have any suggestions for like possible merch in the future, if not this one, let me know. But I just ended up going with hi friends, and I honestly think it looks really cute. So this is the possible design that I will be going for, but this is what it looks like. Like I said, I have like the little vines here, and then I have like little sparkles, and then the little moon, and I decided to put a little R just to put Rainer R, you know, we love that. But yeah, that is the design that I came up with, and I'm pretty much going to be scanning it through my printer and then bringing it onto my laptop to upload onto PrintShop, and I'm really nervous, but I hope that it turns out great. But yeah, oh my god, this is actually happening, so let's just get on into it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and scan it. Oh my god, this is actually happening. All right, we're gonna go ahead and scan this. Oh my god. All right, my friends, so my design is now onto my laptop. So this is what it looks like on the laptop, and I'm gonna go ahead and just upload it onto PrintShop. And like I said earlier, it's pretty easy to upload your designs onto PrintShop, and it gets approved quickly, so we love that. Also, if you guys are in need of help in terms of like suggestions or how to like tweak your design even more, you can also ask help through PrintShop, and that is amazing. So in terms of uploading your design, you can go ahead and do so through the sell artwork button, and then when you get there, you just basically click on the button that says upload new artworks, and it gives you a chance to upload your new artwork, and you also get to name it, also tag it so that people can see it. And basically once it's uploaded, it should look something like this on the website, and it says live, and that means your design is already public, and you can sell it through custom t-shirts, sweaters, whatever, you name it, they have it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to be putting this onto a sweater, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and see what I can do, and then I think the next clip will be me actually receiving the stuff. So I'm so excited.
2 weeks later.
All right, my friends, so something came in the mail today, and I am so excited to be opening it. It is my merch and a few of the other small artists' items. This moment is here. I'm like scared to like open it, but like at the same time I'm like excited. So here they are. Like I said in the beginning of the video, Design Hill and PrintShop are a place for small artists and creators such as I get to upload designs or artwork of our own that we can actually sell. And I think it's a great way for small artists to showcase their talents, because honestly, looking through the website, there was a lot of options and I was like in love with a lot of them. But yeah, these are the ones that I ended up choosing, plus my own merch. So yeah, if you guys haven't checked it out yet, make sure to do so. This is the first one. This is so cute. All right, so this is from one of the small artists on Design Hill, but It has a little porcupine with an apple. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, I love it. But if you guys are wondering where this one is from, I'll leave their name here in the video. But like, I saw this and I was like, this is such an aesthetic. I need this in my life. And y'all know that I love my cute stuff. So when I saw this, add to cart. No, literally, it's so cute. And I have been obsessed with tote bags lately. So if you see me wearing this out, don't mind me, but literally, how can you not? All right, and the next thing is from another small artist. I will leave their name here. I really like their drawing style. And so when I saw it, I was like, this is everything. Ah! We love, oh my god. It's basically a graphic design of a girl wearing a beret, and I really love the colors so much, and then also the flowers. So it's such an aesthetic. I'll probably be styling it later in the video. But yeah, if you're interested in checking out the small artists as well, like I said, I will leave their names here and also their links in the description box below. We love supporting small artists around the world, especially during this time, you know. We definitely do want to support each other out there. So yeah, definitely check them out, guys. All right, and lastly, I don't know how many times I'll be doing that, but like seriously, I am not okay. I am so excited. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. The first thing in here. Oh my god. This is actually happening. This is so cute. But anyways, my merch, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Hi friends! Oh my god. It's printed on so nice. Like, I'll definitely try it on later. The fact that this design is on a sweatshirt. My god, it doesn't even fit in the frame. Oh my god, but like literally, it's so cute. And then the next thing is also another one of my merch items. So if y'all are interested in getting these, I will leave the links down below too, so that we could be matchies, obviously. But the next thing is an iPhone case. I love my Android users. I ended up making one for my iPhone in particular. So we have one that says, hi friends. I love that it's clear and then it just has the logo in the middle of it. We have Sukjin on my phone right now. I love you, baby. I love you. But yeah, let's just go ahead and try this on my phone. I live for like how minimal it is. Oh my god, it's just so simple. It's just like right there. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot, pretty much every single day. But yeah, we have both the sweater and the phone case, which are available if you guys are interested in getting one, so we can match, you know. Hi friends, what goes on? If I see you around at like an event or something, obviously staying safe, but if I see you and you're wearing it, oh my god, we could take pictures and fangirl. Oh my god, it'll be everything. But yeah, if you guys are interested in getting these as well, and also for the small artists as well, make sure to check them out. But oh my god, this is happening. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like on. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. But yeah, definitely gonna be wearing this out. Oh my god, I'm living. Yes. Okay. And then the phone case. So as I've mentioned throughout the video, PrintShop enables fellow artists and creators such as myself to express their talents through a wide range of customizable mediums, and with their easy designing and support process, I am definitely going to be working with PrintShop again to create more merch in the near future. If you guys are interested in getting my merch, aka let's be matchies please, and also to support the wonderful artists I mentioned, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. And again, a huge thank you to PrintShop for making this all possible. I'm seriously in love with everything. Alright my friends, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys like the merch design. I honestly thought it turned out really cute, and I might do more designs in the future, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys are interested in getting either the phone case or the sweater, make sure to check the links down below so you guys can get one. We can be matchies. We love that. And also don't forget to support the fellow artists as well. I will leave their stuff down below because they have so many amazing designs. But yeah, oh my god, I'm definitely gonna be sporting these out when I'll go out and about, obviously wearing a mask. Stay safe, y'all. Double mask. Yeah, these are so pretty, so I will leave their links down below as well. And again, I'd like to give a huge thank you to PrintShop by Design Hill for sponsoring today's video. It truly means a lot to me that I'm finally able to show off a merch design. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I still think about it and I'm like, this is actually happening. And like I said, if you guys are interested in checking out everything, I will leave everything in the description box below. But yeah, make sure to check out their stuff, guys. And I hope that you all are doing well. And yeah, make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. But yeah, I hope that you all are staying safe, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, bye friends.